gonna be a mad thing.
Come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is slightly different. baddiebey hair, aka Rohey, is going to be installing my hair. baddiebey hair is on Instagram. Make sure you guys check her page and also follow her. She is an 18-year-old that is doing super amazing, so business minded and very hardworking. I am super proud of her. Words can't even explain how proud I am of this girl, because she used to really look up to me as a kid. I was her idol, and like she says, I still am. So I am so proud of her. She also has a clothing line called BB House, and BB House offers like beautiful ranges of outfits and stuff, like this beautiful black dress that I'm wearing. I would also love for you guys to follow that page as well. And here's just a little bit of a snippet of our photo shoot. Rohey is going to be installing this beautiful chocolate wig by JDD Hair. I will be linking every single thing down below in the description bar. So she's just basically tinted the lace using her own tint. It's her own brand. So now she is just taming my baby hairs and just putting it away to secure it from the glue. She said she likes to use a dark wig cap, which is why she's using this dark chocolate brown wig cap on me. And then she's going to be using rubbing alcohol to remove some of my makeup on my forehead, and this way the lace glue can actually sit and stay for such a long time. And guys, I can prove to you guys, after she installed this wig, I had the wig for a good 5 days. So what she's doing now is that she's just trying to cut off the lace and basically fitting it perfectly in according to my head size. So what she's doing now is just cutting off the lace so that it could go behind my ears, and this way the wig would sit very comfortably. I cannot even explain how much techniques that I learned from this girl, you guys. Like, I thought I was the baddest installer, but not until she installed this wig. I'm like, yo, you learn stuff every single day. So now what she's doing is she's applying that lace gum paste that is from her own brand. So she's just applying thin layers. Yo, I used to just patch this on my forehead and that's it. But she is applying thin layers at a time, rubbing it off until it clears, and add another layer. So she added about 5 layers, and what she does is she sections it. So she adds some on my forehead first, and then she's gonna go ahead and do the side ones. Then she's just going to use this comb to press it on so that it could stick very perfectly. So to cut the lace, she's just using a razor blade. Oh my god, you guys, just look at that. Where's the difference? Where's the lace? Where is it? This JDD hair wig is amazing. Everyone's been asking me about it. The color is perfect. Suits me so much. I am absolutely in love with this hair. And like I said before, now she's gonna do the sideburns, and she's using the same technique as she did with the forehead. Apply a small layer, make it clear, and then apply another layer, and she does this about 5 times. So she's just going back with the glue and just adding it to the spots that she missed, which is very important because every single lace needs to be stick down. And it felt so tight. Like I said, I had this wig on for 5 days. Now she's just removing some baby hairs for me. She knows I love my baby hairs, so she's just removing a couple, not a lot. And this is something new that I've learned. She's using a mascara to just basically go through some parts that were over bleached, because when the knots were being bleached, it actually seeped through the lace. So she's using a mascara to just discolorate that. Now she's just gonna melt the lace. And then we decided to go ahead with a side part because she was trying to achieve this 1960s look, and then she really wanted that high flick. And then she's going to use her wax stick, and this is also her own brand that she is testing out, so it's not out yet. She haven't launched these products yet. Look at that lace melt. Oh my god, you guys, where's the lace? Honestly, I can't deal, man. This was like one of the best collaborations ever. As you can see, I'm really scared of the hot comb because it's really hot, and I'm so scared of being burnt, which is why my face is like that. And then now she's going to use this curling wand because she wants to give me like a really nice big bouncy curls, which was so nice. So just curling the hair, and she's just gonna pin it so that the curls could last long. Sorry about the lighting, it was just jumping. So just trimming the baby hairs now, and then she's gonna use a little bit of that wax, I think it is. I'm not sure what she was using, but I know it's not a gel. Oh yeah, she was using the Got To Be spray to just do some baby hairs for me. It is time to remove the pins. And now she's using a white tooth comb to just brush through this hair. And you guys, oh my god, look how bouncy these curls are. I mean, just look at that. Amazing, super beautiful. This was such a flawless install, you guys. I mean, her styling is just out of this world, and I learned so much from her. Like, I can't even explain it. I learned so much from her. So she's just playing around with the hair, really. She's just playing around with it to achieve the best look for me. Now, this is another technique I learned from her. She just sprays that Got To Be spray, and then she uses it to comb through. And this way, the hair could get some holding spray without you spraying it straight onto the hair. Amazing. Yes, baby hairs, yes. Is it time for me to flaunt now?
Yes, you can go out.
Baby, let's flaunt! Oh my god. Installed to the baddest, okay? You guys, as you can see, I am gassed. If you're in Sweden, Stockholm, please contact baddiebey here for all your hair services. She also provides hair for you and does the best install. I am so happy with this collaboration. Thank you so much, Rohey, once again, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.